Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have this lead on this job that is currently hiring. So I got the lead this afternoon. I decided to share it with you guys. So for this lead, I'll be reviewing customer service representative jobs. I'll be reviewing these two jobs for people in New Mexico and for people in Texas. Yay! So my Texas people, if you're in Texas, and you're looking for a customer service job, I believe this will be a good opportunity for you. So let's quickly dive in. Okay, so this job is a customer service representative, and the name of the company is Lowe's, right? Lowe's, right? Okay, so this is a company that is currently hiring, and guys, this company pays between $14.34 to $23.91. So with this company, if you're coming in with a good experience, you are expecting the pay of $23.91. Let me quickly calculate this to see how much is gonna be weekly, right? So let me calculate this to tell you guys how much is gonna be weekly. So $23.91, 23.91 times 40, that's gonna be $956 every week. So if you're looking for a customer service representative job, and this is a full-time remote job, so it's full-time and it's remote. If you're in Texas looking for a customer service representative job, this job will pay you at least 45K a year. You'll be making up to $23.91 per hour. Okay, so the rate might vary due to factors. It could be your experience, what you're bringing to the table, right? You want to really tell the company that yes, I'm the right person for this job. If a company knows that yes, they need you for that job, they're gonna pay. So for people that yeah, if you sell yourself very well, sure, you should be expecting $23.91 from them. The customer service professional must deliver effective customer centric support across multiple channels of communication. All right, so this is not just going to be a phone. It's not just going to be a phone. It's going to be phone, email, chat, and text. All right, so if you're not a phone, if you don't like phone opportunities, you could possibly get this opportunity for phone, email, chat, and text, right? So why supporting all contact center program? In order to maintain a current knowledge of lowest process, the individual in this role is expected to continue learning. Yeah, definitely. So when you're in a role, no matter you don't have, normally you're not going to feel relaxed. You will always keep learning, keep growing yourself. All right, and look at the requirements. Like, all they are asking is 1 year customer service or sales experience. Like, just 1 year experience is what they need. Then diploma or equivalent, right? If you have your diploma, then and you have a 1 year customer service experience, this job could pay you $23.91, and you have to know how to between the navigate between application. Now know how to use computer sets, know how to navigate between multiple applications. All right, so this is a very good position for people in Texas. So this particular one I just reviewed is for people in Texas. So I will be sharing this link in the description so that if you are in Texas and you're looking for a job opportunity, you can quickly grab this. All right, you can quickly apply for the position. It's currently hiring, is open. So let me share this with you guys. Okay, so if you're here, you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe. I post videos, work from home opportunity for people. It's not just customer service experience I post different jobs. I post IT jobs, best tech jobs. Or if you're also looking to get into tech, I have a video for that, and I have a couple of boot camps, a couple of boot camps link in that video, so you can quickly take a look at it. Okay, so let's review this other one. Okay, so this is basically the same thing as well, and the pay range is the same thing, but this is for people in which other state? Which state is this? Let's take a look. Yeah, they're also asking for 1 year experience and diploma. Okay, so let's see. Okay, for people in New Mexico, right? So this is just for people in New Mexico. So this two opportunity is currently hiring. So if you're looking for a remote opportunity, I would advise you quickly grab this. I will be leaving this link in my description. So all you need to do is just click on the link and apply. Right, just click here, fill your bio information, then apply. All right, so let's see this executive administrative assistant. Let's see. Okay, for this job they are requiring 3 years experience, 5 years experience in an administrative or functional environment. Right, right, okay, and there is no they don't have information, the pay information for this. Then you see they have other jobs as well for manager accounting. This is also a remote position for people interested in getting it. Manager retail facility data analytics. This is also a good opportunity. So with this link, even if you don't like the one I posted, just navigate through the job portal, look for something you feel familiar with, something you can relate to, something you really want to do, and apply for it. All right, so thank you guys. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, I post daily job videos, remote opportunity job videos. Please kindly subscribe, click on the notification button so that you get notified anytime I post a new video, so that you'll be among the first people to apply for this job. So thank you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.